Tune Your Car here. We are back with another banger. This car looks so beastie. We have this beastie Kia here. This, man. So what happens to this car is, oh yeah, sick, sitting on Brembos as well. What happened to this car was he had a spark plug blow right here in the spark plug hole, and he needs this hole right here rethreaded. So when you look in that hole, you can't really see it, it's hard to see, but he cannot put the spark plug in, so we just need to go in and rethread the hole. I'll show you exactly how we're going to rethread this hole. He already took all the stuff out for us, so I can't show you how we took out the coils, but he bought this online. I prefer you to buy this one because it has the front part where you could go in first with the hole and it'll be able to line up. I'm trying to get this to focus. And then you have this side, which is the spark plug size, where we're gonna put a little bit of motor oil on this. We're gonna run this in slowly, okay? If I cannot get most of it on camera, it's because I'm focusing on getting the job done accurately and straight. So first we're gonna start with just getting a little bit of motor oil, just like that. Put it down like that and get motor oil and lay it on each part of the teeth, as you can see, like that, because we're gonna be going in. And you wanna just lay it all on the teeth, like so. Even on the front ones as well. Okay? Just like that. You wanna verify that this is the size of the spark plug threads. So we're gonna get a spark plug and we're gonna compare the sizes real quick. Looks like the spark plug matches up with the smaller part of the tool. Take an old spark plug and we're gonna try to shoot the old spark plug down first and see if we can rethread it with just the spark plug. A little bit of oil on the beginning parts of the threads of the spark plug in first. See what we can get. So let's try this. First, what you wanna do is you wanna spin left. And the reason why you want to spin left is because you want to wait for a click. If you can feel a click like that, I don't know if you heard that, that means the threads are now caught. So now when we twist, as you can see, it's starting to catch. So what we're going to do now, we have tension. We're going to get our ratchet here. We're going to kind of slowly go in. So we're going to put our ratchet on. Make sure the spark plug is straight. And we're going to slowly start to tighten. It felt like it just slipped off. Spark plug just kind of just went straight in. It didn't really grab on any studs. We're going to come in here with this and see if we can rethread it. We're gonna do this off camera because we need two hands. So I'm gonna show you as much as I can. So I went ahead and tapped it in about 10 spins. 10 spins should have been good enough. So we have a couple of metal shavings in there, so we're gonna suck those out right now. What it's gonna do is just make a bigger hole. It's not gonna make the hole the same size as the regular spark plug. You have this air gun that you could use. Just shoot it down in the hole, and all that air pressure will blow everything out. And if you still have anything that's sticking from the oil, you go ahead and get you something like this and just feed it down the spark plug hole, and now the hole is clear. You're gonna put this onto the spark plug. Now this is what's gonna create the new hole, because the hole, you now made the hole bigger and the spark plug will not be able to sit in there. Now, buy this online and buy the one with the teeth at the end. You want to put the teeth at the back side of the spark plug like so. And just like that, we're gonna install the second spark plug. And just like that, we are all done. And we also put new coils in for him as well. Sorry I couldn't show you guys me installing the coils on both sides. But if you do want a video on how to do a tune-up on this car, just let me know. Like and subscribe. He's about to start it. Let's see what he got. If you also want me to clear the codes, I got you. smoke coming out right here.
It's been sitting for a while too.
Yeah, it went away, but when you first started it, I seen smoke coming out. But it's good now. It's looking good
Yeah,
now. Is it cool if I rev it? It's tune your car. Oh my God. We are out.